Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have some more NASCAR Authentics from the 2019 Wave 12. We are going to do Denny Hamlin's 2019 Darlington Throwback to Darrell Waltrip. On the back, you can see more cars that we've reviewed. And let's get this car out of the box. So here is his hood. And here is the car. Let me lower this green. Hello. So here's the number 11. It has FedEx as always. At this time it says FedEx Racing, and there's a black Fed and the X is white, and it says Racing. And on the side it has orange, and the number 11 is like and the number 11 is like metal, kind of like, because it shows your reflection a little. Because in the real life version as well, the stickers do. And there's some lightish gray to gray, dark gray, and now to black. And this represents Darrell Waltrip's, number 17 car, basically. Because this was going to be Darrell Waltrip's last year. Sorry about that. Here's the hood. You can see FedEx Racing, his logo, Toyota, and the number 11. Also, there is orange on the bottom as well. And the FedEx is a little different when it's at the back because it's black on the end. And that would be it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and we'll be out soon. Thanks for watching.